If you've ever scrolled through Steam and noticed those awesome moving profile pictures and thought, how do I get one of those? You're in the right place. In just a couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how to set up an animated profile picture on Steam in 2025. By the end, your avatar will stand out from the rest. So stick around and follow along. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. If you're not signed in yet, click the login button and enter your account name and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. Look toward the top of the screen and click your Steam username. A small drop-down menu will appear. Select View My Profile. This will take you straight to your personal Steam profile page. Now find and click on the Artwork tab. This is where you'll upload the animated image you want to use. Once you're on your artwork page, click on Upload Artwork. You'll be prompted to pick a category. Choose Not Game Specific, since your animated image isn't tied to a particular game. After that, give your artwork a name. It can be fun, descriptive, or totally random, just something you'll recognize and maybe something your friends will notice. Next, click Choose File and select the animated image you want to use. Steam typically works best with GIFs or short looping video profiles that meet their size and format requirements, so make sure your file is compatible before uploading. There's an optional description box where you can add a caption or context if you want. Then choose your visibility settings. Set it to friends only or public, depending on who you want to see it. Before you move on, check the box that confirms you own the rights to the artwork and that you're not uploading someone else's copyrighted material. Once everything looks good, hit Save and Continue. At this point, your animated image is officially uploaded to your profile's artwork section. To make it your profile avatar, simply go back to your profile, click Edit Profile, open the avatar section, and select your newly uploaded animated artwork as your profile picture. Save your changes, and you're done. Now your Steam profile has a dynamic animated avatar that instantly grabs attention and gives your account some personality. If this tutorial helped you level up your profile, let me know by hitting like or dropping a comment. And if you want more quick and useful guides just like this, stick around by subscribing. Thanks for watching and enjoy showing off that new animated look